Hello everyone, this is RussTee. Today we are going to use this product, a headlight restoration kit by Rain-X. This is not a sponsored video, this is just a review. So as you can see, I have scratched up my headlight due to my recent crash. So today we are going to repair that. Also, we are going to repair this headlight too, because my brother messed this up a while back when he placed electrical tape, and then we are going to repair that today. So we're gonna start by repairing this headlight first, and afterwards my bike. So let's start now. But first we are going to unbox this first, see what's inside. So we have this headlight restorer. We have this Rain-X lubricant, Rain-X sealant, a microfiber cloth, and some polishing pads. So that's it inside the box. This product will cost you 959 pesos, but I bought this around 600 pesos because it was on sale, 30% off. So yeah, that's why I bought it. And let's try using this product now. So first step here in the box is to remove any dirt or debris that may be present on the headlight. So we've already washed this headlight up. And then the second step is to spray headlight and polishing pads with Rain-X lubricant. So we are going to use this, spray it on the headlight. Also be spraying this polishing pad. So these polishing pads are numbered, so there's a number for the 1, 2, and 3. First we are going to use the first polishing pad, and you need to be rubbing the headlight on a diagonal direction. The first step is to spray up the headlight, including the polishing pad. Rub it diagonally. So we're done using number 1 polishing pad. We'll proceed to number 2. Pretty hina. So instructions for number 2: use polishing pad number 2 in a firm linear motion, so it's horizontal and vertical, until the entire area of the headlight has been treated at least twice and is uniform in appearance and texture. Wipe clean and proceed to polishing pad number 3. The next step is to use this pad number 3 again by using a diagonal motion. So repeat until the surface is smooth to the touch. Every time you use the polishing pad, you need to spray some lubricant. Sino naman? So after wiping with the number 3 pad, you need to let it dry, wipe it out, let it dry, and then we'll be proceeding to the next step, applying this headlight restorer by using a microfiber cloth. So we're applying this headlight restorer in this step. So you need to apply generous amount onto the microfiber cloth, and then rub onto the entire headlight until all haze is gone.
naman isa ko abi para sa ko okay na ni.
Iwasan na yung tubig. Ayun. Ayun, kung kasi ayun.
Abi damn.
Kuha ito. So last step is to use this Rain-X sealant. So you need to spray it onto a clean cloth and then rub it around the headlight. Apply uniformly around the headlight. Tinaw na.
What kind of sorcery is this? It's like brand spanking new. I'll be damned, eh? Go. Ah, nambuga kayo sa tissue. Bibay.
Giyago.
Nandog yun, kagay. Damn, bro, ceramic ba? Ceramic yang dating ko.
And here is the final output. See how clear that is? Damn. All for 600 bucks.
600 bucks.
And the good thing about this is you can use this until you empty these bottles. So we're gonna see later if this will be effective on somewhat deeper scratches. So we're gonna do my bike now. I'm just gonna position my bike. Now let's proceed to the last step. Apply this sealant. And I think we're done.